Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. Well, I love this fan, this window fan so much that I actually went and bought 3 of them. Today, we are going to be doing an unboxing, a setup, and also a review of the Bionaire digital window fan, and we're going to do it right now. Let's go.
Oh boy. It's Tech Timmy time.
Okay, so I bought 3 of these. You might be scratching your head wondering why. Did they break? Did they run out and so forth? No. So I live on the ocean here, and if you basically leave a fan in the window with a strong ocean breeze, it's going to blow the fan to smithereens. And that's exactly what happened. So the motor will die on these things if you actually if they run too fast, and that's exactly what will happen if you leave it up in a gusty area. And that's exactly what happened in the case for me. So this is my 3rd one, so I feel like I'm probably a good one to do a review on this guy. The box itself is no frills, but I figured I'd also do a combo unboxing and setup. I did an unboxing of this years ago, maybe a couple of years ago. This is my 3rd one over the course of maybe 5 years, and I went back and looked at a video. It was just terrible. So I feel like I want to do this fan justice, and we're going to take it out of the box. I'll show you how to set it up. Super easy, guys. And I'll also let you know my thoughts in terms of why I bought 3 of them and how much I like it. So this is the remote, which is basically the ultimate. And if you're lazy like me, and you want to sit on the couch on a balmy day and run the fan, this is what the remote looks like. It does require a couple of batteries. I don't think it comes with batteries, but easy enough to do. We'll take a look at see what type they are in a sec here. I'm going to try and get through this as fast as possible for you guys so you can get to probably why you're here, the review portion. So, all right. Yeah, so get the battery cover off. You got to poke that down. And I think it just pops off, guys. That's all. I used a fork to do mine. And it looks like we have, so it's 2 AAA batteries. I figured I'd install them for you as well. Might as well give you the full experience here, right? So that one goes in there. And then this guy goes in here like this. And then this just pops back on. And yeah, I thought you had to press that little gazinta there down, but you don't. It's just basically, if you force that off with a knife or a fork, in my case, it will just work. And so nice little remote. Basically, we've got settings for temp, mode, and then airflow, which I'll show you on the fan in a second. Okay, let's get this bad boy out of the box here, this bad Larry. Okay, so that's the back of the fan. And yeah, so a few things in the box you're not going to want to throw out. So documentation, and then we have a couple of these little attachments. Now, the great thing about this fan is it will fit pretty much any size window. So I think they're called double hung or vertical. They're vertical, actually. Double hung, I think, are the more traditional windows. So it'll fit those nicely, actually. And what's great about the attachments, I'll show you in a second, but it'll fit both double hung and vertical windows, like the apartment style windows that I have here, nicely you put the attachments on the side. But first, let's just take a quick look at the control panel here. So I'm going to hold it up, see if I can get it in the frame nicely for you guys. So you have our power button there. We have an indicator light that basically tells you what mode you're in. So we have low, medium, and high. This is, I don't know what that is actually. Oh, I think that controls the brightness of the light. If you put it in the bedroom, you can actually dim the light on there. That's new with this model. I did not have that on my last one. And then we have our in, out, and exchange flow. We use those 2 buttons to control that. So this will do, basically it will blow air in, it'll blow air out, and it'll do both at the same time. So you have that called reverse something. Capability, which is really one of the main benefits of this fan. So it basically circulate the air for you. And then, yeah, so great fan. And, oh, right, I said I was going to show you how to do the attachment. So basically, these both go, so on one side, you have an accordion style expander. So you pop those 2 open and you can pull that up. And that's how it will expand that side, which is great. And then on the other side, you have 2 of these doohickeys that are more hardbound. Nice thing about that is it lets you basically size it to your window. And then this, and you might need, depending on your windows, you might need both of these, one or none. And this just slides on here like that, I think. I'm going that way, yep. And you might have to kind of push it in to get it to go, but that's all that does there. And then here, this Just goes on like that. And now you have a nice long attachment that will fit your vertical style windows. And I'll show you what that looks like in my window in a second here. But basically you can stand it up this way and have it so that it's tall in the window, and you just control the buttons off to the side. Or if you have a long window, I think they're called double hung, you can either opt to use this or the other attachment to get it to fit your window perfectly. So let's get it in the window next, and then I will run through the features. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the window here. It's already oscillating, as you can see, hence my story about the airflow here. So I live on Sea Breeze Lane, and the ocean breeze can be kind of nasty. So it just basically fits in the window like that, and I can't get it to go to all the way to the top. If you're concerned about bugs, whatever, I have screens, so not too much of a concern there. But it just fits in the window perfectly, and I know the lighting's not going to be the best. In fact, I'm going to get another light right now. So yeah, also what I will do is I will leave a link to this down below in the description. It's an Amazon affiliate link. If you use it, all proceeds go to support the channel. It helps out a lot. I appreciate it. Yeah, that lighting is a little better, I think. And yeah, so if you have those double hung windows, obviously you're going to want to turn the fan the other way and get it to fit that style of window. But let me see if I can get even a little bit closer to the panel here for you guys. Yeah, so basically on the power button here, and then it should immediately start running, and you see the fans started spinning the other way. And then here was our different modes. So here's medium, and right now the air is coming in from the outside. And then there's high. No, I'm wrong. So you have to turn that button off. Now it'll let me set the different modes here. So that other button locks the modes in place. And then there's high, which blows air at a really good clip. And then, so here's the light function I told you about, and all it does is dim the light, makes it a little bit more dim if lights annoy you when you're trying to sleep at night. And that is a temperature gauge, so it will actually turn the fan off. You can program it to turn the fan on and off based on a certain temperature. I really don't use that feature. I just do it manually. You can probably tell I'm manually controlling it now instead of using the remote as well here. That's the way I control it, just out of force of habit. And then here is our air exchange. So airflow out. So taking the air in the kitchen and pushing it out the window. And then we also have the exchange mode, which is right here. And that will do, one fan will go, I think it's the top. Yep, so the top is blowing out and the bottom is blowing in. And that is a great way to circulate the air. So I hope this video helped you guys. That is pretty much my unboxing, setup, and review of the Bionaire window fan. Love this thing. I bought 3 of them. Anyhow, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. It helps out the channel a lot. And I hope to see you in the next video. I do all sorts of videos about tech. Cheers.